Hi everybody, how are you? Today we're going to look at the letters AR. This is often used for the R sound. There are different ways of spelling the R sound as well. Talk about that at the end of the video. Now, let me show you how to read R with the AR spelling. With the AR sound as in R, and then add the first consonant to make different words. Repeat after me. K-A-Ka. T-A-Ta. F-A-Fa. B-A-Ba. Now let's add the final consonant T. Art. Art. Now let's add the first consonant. P. Art. Part. F. Art. Fart. M. Art. Mart. And D. Art. Dart. Let's try a different final sound now, and we're going to add the M. So, for example, arm, arm, harm, charm, farm. Let's look at changing it to the D on the end. Ard, ard. Ard, hard. Ard, card. Ard, yard. Ard, bard. You can practice the AR, the R sound, with the different ending and the start to challenge yourself. Like these words. And let me know how you go. As I mentioned in the beginning, the R sound isn't only spelt with the AR. It can be spelt many different ways. For example, also be spelt with A, as in staff and graph. Or EAR as in heart. Also AU as in aunt and laugh. And finally AL as in half and calm. Please bear in mind that English is very tricky, and don't try and find the rules for it sometimes. Sometimes there isn't always an exact rule for English. What you can do is read a lot, use a lot, and talk a lot. That's it for today. I'll see you later. Bye.